good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, beauties, my wonderful faves. How are you guys doing? You guys, it is bright and early. Well, I wouldn't say bright and early, girl. It's almost 11 a.m. It's Monday morning, and your girl finished her workout and is off to my morning routine. What do you want? Go for it. Go for what you want. He wants something. I woke up early this morning and I was determined to get my workout in, so I did just that. Look how the sun burnt my skin, man. So I look like I have two different colored skin. But that's totally fine. I woke up early this morning, got my workout in. I wasted no time. I just blasted from 8 a.m. because Tyler was up by, I think, about 7:50 he was up. So I woke up, got my workout in, finished all that, got fresh, give it Tyler his porridge, and now I'm about to go make me some breakfast and jump into my routine. I have some work to get done on the laptop, and yeah, let's see what the day takes us. What are you guys up to today? Make sure you guys get your workout in, whether you're at work, school, play. Make it a good day, make it productive, stay positive, stay motivated. Let nothing, just about nothing and no one stand in your way of greatness. No one stand in your way of happiness. No one stand in your way of positivity. No one standing in your way of good vibes. Keep your circle small. Be mindful of naysayers and negative thinkers. You don't want those kind of people around you, so let go of all that. It doesn't matter who you're going to lose at the end of the day, but you don't want negative people around you, so brush off, let go of those kind of energy and keep it going. Have a good day. We love you guys, and we will see you guys in a bit. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Blow them kisses. All right. Say later. All right, you guys, I just love him so much. Oh, and yeah, baby's off to work too. Baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he vlogged, you guys will see him, and if he didn't, then you guys will see him when he get back home. Say bye bye. Oh, go get it, bad boy. Let me show you guys what outside is looking like right now. Normally on a Monday they'll be maintaining the lawn, so you guys might hear a little noise in the background from them cutting the lawn downstairs, but that's the view of outside today. The sky is blue, the water is blue, it's looking really calm. It's not so hot because, as you guys know, we're on the hill, so the wind kind of make up for the heat, so it's not really that hot out just yet. But yeah, that's outside. And as usual, this is a typical Melissa kind of breakfast. Normally I would be just having the eggs, but I'm feeling for the fruits this morning, so I'm having plum with 3 little pieces of pineapple and my cup of tea, and that's breakfast. I know you were awake. I know you were awake. I heard you. Hello. You know I heard you? Huh? Hey. I heard you a long time ago. I heard you. Long time ago I heard you. You know I heard you. Aww. My baby. What's up? You had a good nap? Yes, you did. You did. You want to jump? Jump, jump. You love to jump. Jump, 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 jump. You guys, he loves to jump in this couch. You want to jump, 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 jump. Yeah. And you wake you playing. Can I have a kiss? Silly boy. You guys, I was so tired earlier. I was around the computer and I couldn't focus, and I said to baby, you know what, I think I'm going to stop what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing, and oh, you want to hear it make noise? Listen. He says no, he doesn't like that. He used to be afraid of them when he was younger, so I was sure he was gonna give me that reaction. I was saying to you guys that I was saying to babe that I'm going to take a little nap. I know I can't nap in the day, but when I'm really tired, my body just give way, and that is exactly what happened earlier. Like my brain just shut down. I was really tired. Jump. Ow. And I took like a 30-minute nap before Tyler woke up. Yeah, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Ow! Jump, 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 jump. Alright, let's go. No more jumping. You're jumping on my back. 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 Jumping on my back. Jumping on my back. Jumping, jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Wow! All right. Look at him. You guys, Tyler and I heading to the park. He decides that he wants to drive his truck, and he pick up his ball on one other car. So he's enjoying himself. Look at him. So we're heading to the park right now to have a little park time. Oh my God.
Raphaël, c'est pas ta voiture, pose là. Put it down. Raphaël, this is not yours. Get up. Raphaël.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah?
That's okay.
Qu'est-ce qu'on dit, Raphaël? Tu veux le rendre au petit garçon? Tu veux le rendre au petit garçon? Donne-lui au petit garçon, il le veut.
No.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Tu veux jouer, Raphaël?
It's okay.
Je dis merci.
You're welcome, baby. Yeah, you have to share.
Oh, that's very
You
nice.
must share.
Thank you very much.
Okay? You must share. You have to share.
Voiture. T'as dit merci?
Come, let's kick the ball. Where's the ball? You have to share, okay? Go get it. Kick, baby, kick. Go. Whoa! in the kitchen making dinner, and for dinner today I am making some shrimp stir fry for baby and I, which is over there, and in here I have potatoes cooking for Toddler, which I'm gonna mash in a bit. So this is what dinner is looking like tonight. You guys should know by now that we're shrimp lovers. Toddler have such a good time at the park, but I realized that I don't know if maybe because he's an only child and he doesn't have anybody at home to play with or to share his things with, but I realized that today when he was at the park, if another kid would take his car or his ball or his truck that he had, he would get sad and starts to cry. So I have to tell him that it's okay to share. So I think he doesn't really get the concept of sharing his toys with others. So I really can't wait for him to start daycare come September. I just want September to hurry up and come already. I think the more he'll be around kids and seeing them sharing toys and stuff, he'll be okay with sharing his toys. But as of today, he wasn't really happy. So I had to tell him that it's okay for others to play with his things, and I give him his car and his truck to carry to another little boy, and he was okay to give the little boy his car and his truck. After that, it's just that when the kid just come and take up his thing and go away with it, he doesn't like it at all. But if I tell him to carry it to the kid, then he'll do it without crying. So I guess he'll get it eventually. But yeah, hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm just in the kitchen whipping up as usual. All right, you guys, that's the finished product. Dinner is ready. Grub time. And somebody else sounds ready. Yes, you're ready? You're hungry? Hungry? All right, I'm coming. Yes.
Allez, allez, allez. Allez, allez, allez.
Hey, jump. Let's pillow Papa, pillow fight 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 Papa, pillow him, pillow him. Say bye-bye. Where is my husband?
Gone to bed already.
Where is my husband?
Gone to bed already.
He has abandoned me.
Gone to bed already.
Might as well we just go to bed already. You guys, as you can see, I'm in my bedtime hairstyle. French
expression for today will be mettre sa main à couper or mettre sa main au feu. It's the same things. Mettre sa main à couper, this is the hand, main. So it's like to put your hand to cut or to put your hands to the fire. When you're sure about some things, like 100% sure, and the other person say the opposite, and you're trying to convince her, you say, I put my hands to cut, or I put my hands to the fire. I mean, like you're betting your hands that you're right. I mean, you're 100% sure that you're right.
Mettre sa main.
Sa main.
Sa main au feu.
Right. Mettre sa main à couper.
Oh, main as in hand.
Main, yeah.
Okay.
Mettre sa main à couper.
Mettre sa main à couper.
Right.
Like when you're sure about something.
Right.
Okay, so the Jamaican word for today is scandal bag. Do you know what a scandal bag is? scandal bag is the bags that we get at the supermarket to put things in.
Okay.
That's what we call a scandal bag.
Okay.
So if somebody say, Mel, give me one scandal bag, they're simply asking for one of those little bags.
Okay. Scandal bag.
Scandal.
Scandal. Scandal.
So a scandal bag is the little
Supermarket bag.
Supermarket bag.
Plastic bag.
Right, plastic bag. But the ones that make noise, not the plastic one. Like the one that we get at Gumfrey. The little
that's no, not this one.
Not like the Ziploc. The Ziploc don't make noise.
I see what you mean.
Right. So scandal bag is plastic bags, the ones that make noise. So somebody say you make noise like your scandal bag.
You make noise. That makes me having an imagination. So
what kind of imagination?
Video thumbs up, a blue thumbs up, comments below. Keep up, watch up. No, you
say subscribe.
Subscribes.
If you're new.
If you're new and you turn on the bell.
Right, turn on the notification.
And say something like keep up and
catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up. Wow.
Say it.
Catch up and keep up, guys. And
we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.